Hey guys, it's Steph here. So it's September, it's towards the end of the season, it's starting to feel like fall, and I had to highlight my beautiful hyacinth bean vine that I grew this year. It's the first time I've grown it, and it definitely deserves its own highlight. It's absolutely beautiful. So I've tried growing vines in the past. This one has been the easiest annual vine to grow. I have done nothing. I haven't fertilized it. The only thing I've done is put it in a full sun area. Definitely loves the heat, and I've kept it watered. So the blooms are out. It's starting to form its little beans, and it is just the cutest vine. So let's take a look at it. In my cutting garden, I have 3 arbors right here. There's another vine over there, so you can see how well that one's doing. I've kind of planted these annuals until my clematis started to fill in. That's my jasmine. Look at all of those blooms. This is a 2nd year perennial vine, but I might do both of them every single year just because of how easy this one was to grow. But first of all, look at the leaves. They're kind of a heart shape. And then the blooms kind of remind me of sweet peas. These have been blooming for about 2 weeks now. They keep coming out at different times. So these are great to cover up an ugly porch column, which I have in my front yard. I'm gonna show you that one in a little bit. They're actually really good for cutting. See, it's making its way over. So it's put on so much growth, probably 2 to 3 feet in the last couple weeks. I think it's gonna make its way all the way down here in a little bit. Let's move to the front yard real quick and show you what column I'm trying to cover. It's not my favorite style. It's kind of rusting a little bit, so this is looking great. So look at that, it's making its way all the way up there. It's kind of running out of room. How tall am I at? This is probably 10 feet tall now. Yeah, I'm looking at my basketball hoop, so it's definitely surpassing the 10-foot mark. So I'm gonna actually grow this one on my pergola next year. So here's another interest that this hyacinth bean produces. Look at these bean pods. And I love these because these were so easy to grow in the greenhouse, so I can go ahead and save these. Look how shiny those are. I swear I had about 100% germination success, maybe 95%. They sprouted quickly and put on growth really quickly. And then when the temperatures were warm, about 55 degrees outside, I just put them in the ground. They were a little slow to start, but once they did take root, they took off super quickly. My Christmas wreath is still up, so it's gonna stay up there for probably a full year, and then Christmas will come around. I'll probably finally take it down at that point because I'm gonna wanna add some new fresh evergreen. Isn't that funny? All right, I hope you like this highlight. What is the phrase? I eat, sleep, repeat plants. Oh, darn it. I wish I could get phrases correct. I can never remember phrases. You know what I'm talking about though. You guys are probably the same way as me. I'm already planning for what I'm gonna grow this winter, what I'm gonna grow next spring, and this is definitely on the list. I hope you can find some space to grow this beautiful vine in your yard next year. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting my channel. I hope to see you in the next one. We'll talk to you later. Bye.